Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best dishwasher safe cookie sheets you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many dishwasher safe cookie sheets and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each dishwasher safe cookie sheets so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying dishwasher safe cookie sheets. First, focus on the material, as stainless steel and heavy-duty aluminum are both durable and resist warping under heat. Non-stick coatings can make cleanup easier, but always check that the coating is labeled dishwasher safe to avoid peeling. Next, consider size and thickness, because thicker sheets heat evenly while fitting properly in your oven. Rimmed edges help prevent spills and make handling safer. You should also look for sheets with reinforced edges to reduce bending over time. Finally, check the manufacturer's cleaning instructions, since not all dishwasher safe labels mean long-term durability in harsh wash cycles. Choosing the right combination of material, size, and coating ensures lasting performance and easy maintenance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful kitchen tips.